My whole mantra for my life is the magic of life is showing up. If you show up, anything is possible. I'm a national youth speaker that tries to create a positive climate and try to create where kids are supportive of each other. Wherever it is that kids preside, that's where I want to be able to have them see that they have something to offer. But it's given me an opportunity to really feel like I didn't pass through on this earth, that I made a difference, that I did something meaningful with my life. And my bracelet that really epitomizes, and it flies off the shelves. I mean, I've given thousands since I designed this, but it says, happy people live outside themselves. The happiest people I know, Russ, are living outside themselves. Doesn't matter how bad their life is. They get up every day with the whole focus of going out and making a difference in someone else's life.
And thy graces